categories, movie supporting actor, actress of the year, and ang hindi ng competition, Rob.
Sobra pa. Ako, grabe yung excitement ko at feeling ko, ito, with all due respect, relate na relate ka dito, Messiah ko, sa mga categories ito dahil ikaw ang isa sa mga standard pagdating sa, you know, di ba? You agree? When it comes sa pagiging kontrabida, di ba? Sobrang nakakaasar, nakakainis. But that just goes to show na very, very effective yung roles na ginagampanan nyo.
Thank you, Robby, na naiinis ka sa akin.
Natatakot po ko eh. Ka na.
Hindi ka makakatingin ng sampal sa akin.
Okay, salamat
But
po.
I think that's a compliment, Robby. And of course, let us meet the outstanding actors and actresses for the movie supporting of the year.
Let's do this.
For movie supporting actor of the year, Elijah Anlas, Combursa. Dingdong Dantes, Firefly. Pepe Herrera, Rewind. Piolo Pascual, Combursa. Benbol Rojo, Tieta. JC Santos, Julian. And L.A. Santos, In His Mother's Eyes. And the star goes to JC Santos for Maria. And L.A. Santos for In His Mother's Eyes.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Mel Navarro.
Unang-una po, maraming salamat sa PMPC Board po for supporting my career. Umpisa pa lang po ako. At sobrang isang malaking karangalan po to be in the same room with the best po talaga. Kaya gusto kong salamatan ng aking director na si Direk FM Reyes po. Tsaka yung buong team and production staff behind In His Mother's Eyes po. Talagang pinaghirapan po natin yung movie na to. Kaya sana po mapanood rin po. Tsaka, love you po. Kaya maraming salamat po talaga, tsaka to my family po na nandito po ngayon. And I dedicated my performance po sa lahat po ng mga special child po at sa lahat ng mga bata na nasa Spectrum. At sa mga nanay na may anak na nasa Spectrum, sobrang special po kayong lahat. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo and congrats din to, of course, JC Santos po. Santos Connection kami ngayon, kaya maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Thank you, PMPC, for recognizing my work. I have enjoyed acting for 18 years now, theater and film, which with this, I don't think I'll stop creating and telling stories. I want to thank Mentor Productions, Brian Diamante, Eric Gabrido, Enrico Santos, Omar Sortias of Clever Minds for this possibly one of the best roles so far na nagawa ko para sa pelikula and for entrusting me to interpret Lucas. I am forever grateful. I want to thank Piolo Pascual too for being the best. I want to thank my wife Shai and my daughter River for being an inspiration in my life. And I wouldn't be here if not for the support of the great people who believed in me. The new MR Lipa Batangas, Nanay Michelle at Tatay TJ Fabien, my bank card, MRI, Doc Aris and Annie Alip, the Necessary Theater, Gordon Gona, and our dear beloved Dodo Lim, Love Skin Clinic ni Suboshi, Miguel Zambrano and Doc Shine Reyes, my brothers at Motorfly Training Center, Santo Tomas, Batangas, and my brothers at Spoiled Brats Cafe and Coho Studios. This is for Floyd Quintos, Deo Endrinal, and Dodo Lim. We love you and we miss you dearly. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and you will create magic. Mabuhay ang teatro at mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino.
And we shall remember those words. Congratulations, we have an exciting mix of outstanding performances from today's most intense actresses. Let's find out who will be standing out among the rest. So, here are the nominees for